To paying builders, you know that 10% is for snagging. Snagging means that there's always going to be something at the end of a project. So you're going to go on site, you're going to be like, oh, that kitchen door needs to be put in properly, or whatever the heck it is, or maybe that tap's leaking, or maybe there's a little bit more painting to be done somewhere. But the question I got asked was, what's the other 30-30-30 payment plans for? Well, this I want you to do it with a JCT contract, the Minor Works contract, downloadable from their website. And you probably want to, and this is really for kind of 50 grand and below projects, maybe 60 grand and below projects, but above that, reconsider this staging. You've heard probably of first fix, second fix, and then finish. So first fix is basically the wires have gone in, but they're kind of still like this. They haven't got things fitted on them. The plumbing has gone in. The toilet, the pipe work for the toilet's gone in, but the toilet's not in. So basically, the back end of particularly the gas and the electricity systems have gone in. So that would be first fix. I would then do a payment that's an agreed payment appropriate to the amount of work that's been done. Obviously, you agree that way before in the contract. So that's how I would do it. Second fix is basically everything's been stuck on. You know, like the toilet's now gone on the pipe. Geek! The shower head has now gone on the pipe that was there. And that's really where I'll probably do the second payment usually. But again, always agreed in advance, always agreed the precise things that need to happen before the person gets paid, and make sure that the split is correct. You're not overpaying, but nor are you leaving them out of pocket underpaying. And then the final finish, so things like painting, that kind of the gardening, the cleaning, windows cleaned, all of that stuff would be the third one. Now you decide where the kitchen is. For me, the kitchen is second fix. So first fix would be the pipe work for the sink and the gas if you're doing a gas cooker, and the ovens and stuff. And then the second fix would be the kitchen is on, but maybe you haven't got tiling and you haven't got painting yet. And then the final bit would be it's been tiled, it's been painted, the floors have gone down. So that would be your 30% at first fix, 30% at second fix, 30% at the builders are telling you the job's done, and then your 10% for snagging. You go in straight away, snag it, and then go, actually, there's a couple of things still to be doing. Could you do that? And then you go back in again and go, yep, okay, I'm happy, or actually there's still a couple of things to be done, and then the snagging's done. 30-30-30 with 10% retained for snagging. First fix, second fix, job done, and snagging. Easy, isn't it? Like the vid, because it'll really help other people see it. Send it to somebody who's currently tearing their hair out with a builder, and then hop on over to, so remember to subscribe. Sorry, I forgot about that part. And then the other bit I'm quite excited to tell you about. I spent a long time revamping and improving and just getting a whole new website for you. It is stacked full of things that you can download straight away to get started in property. So go and have a good look like that. Oh, it's fun. That is a fun website to go and see. If you need stuff for property, then that's your baby. thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. And I'll see you soon. And good luck to you with all your renovations. They're brilliant fun to do. Sourcing discounted deals, it is the basis of all property wealth. I have written a pack for you guys. You can download it right now. 45 million quid's worth of property, agreed sourcing price for 30 million quid. All that information in that pack.